Welcome to HoloBuilder. HoloBuilder is a cloud solution that helps you track progress and discover valuable insights on all of your projects from the moment that your project begins until well after it ends. In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to get started with HoloBuilder. We'll go over the most common workflows for HoloBuilder users to successfully capture the progress of their project over time. Let's create a new project by navigating to the Create Project tab with the Project panel and filling out the necessary information for the project. Press Next when you're finished. This will take you to the Upload menu. You can always revisit the Project panel by selecting New from the File menu. In the Upload panel, you can add sheets and scenes to your project. Begin by uploading your project's floor plan as a sheet. Once that's completed, you'll notice your sheet appear in the Sheet panel. You'll always have a view of your floor plan in the Sheet panel. Now let's press the plus button on the bottom left and add a 360 photo to your project. Add your 360 photo as a 360 scene. The photo will appear both in the main edit area in the center of the screen and also in the preview panel on the left. You can tie the 360 photo in your sheet by dragging and dropping the scene from the side panel to the Sheet panel. This will populate a waypoint on your sheet, which represents a location on your project. Congratulations! You've just created your first project with a floor plan and 360 photos. Continue adding 360 photos to your project and become a progress capturing pro. Another useful feature is the JobWalk Planner. The JobWalk Planner allows users the ability to flag locations that need to be captured on an existing job site, bridging the communication gap between the office and the field. From the web editor, right-click anywhere on the sheet to place a location marker flag. Use the location marker flags to pre-plan for photo documentation on your sheet and let the team in the field know which areas of the project need to be captured. Save your project to publish your changes to your team. Make sure to save your project frequently so you don't lose any of your progress on your project. Now that our project is created, we can see how easy it is to capture photos in the field. Let's jump on our JobWalk app. The JobWalk app is available for download in both the iOS App Store and the Google Play Store. Open the JobWalk app and sign in to your HoloBuilder account. You'll immediately be taken to the project screen, where you can see a list of all the projects that you've either created or have been invited to. You'll notice that the screen is divided into two sections, on this device and in the cloud. All of your projects will live in the cloud, but in order to edit a project, you'll need to download the project to your device. So let's find that project that we just created and download the full project to the device. Once downloaded, tap the project to view the project details screen. Here, you can view all the sheets within your project, as well as the last date that your changes were made to the project, and the current status of the project. Let's open our sheet, and here you can see the floor plan, waypoints, and location marker flags that you uploaded earlier to the web editor. Tap the Filter button to filter out different types of locations on your floor plan. Here you can also filter your photos by category. You can create custom categories in the web editor and apply them to your photos via the web editor or from the field via the JobWalk app. We'll come back to this a bit later. On the sheet view, you can easily create new waypoints to document locations on site. Tap any open area on the sheet. Pressing the Capture 360 button here will create a waypoint and capture a 360 photo in that location on your sheet. Now, tap an existing waypoint. Pressing Capture 360 button here will allow you to stack 360 photos in this specific location. You can also view all 360 photos that have been taken at a waypoint by tapping the Open 360 button from the waypoint menu below. If you don't have a 360 camera handy at the time, you can also capture a normal 2D photo by tapping the 2D photo button in the waypoint menu at the bottom of the screen. If a waypoint has a 2D photos attached to it, these photos will appear within a gallery located in the waypoint menu. Easily view the 2D photo in detail by selecting it from the gallery. Now, let's capture one of the location markers that we placed earlier in the web editor. Select the location marker and then tap the Capture 360 button. Here, you'll be prompted to connect your 360 camera. To connect your 360 camera, turn the camera on and open the Wi-Fi settings on your mobile device or tablet. 360 cameras generate their own Wi-Fi network, so you should see the 360 cameras network appear on your Wi-Fi settings. Connect your device or tablet to the 360 camera's Wi-Fi network. By default, the password for the 360 camera will normally be found at the bottom of the camera. Once your camera is connected to your device, you're all set. Return to the JobWalk app, hold your camera up, and press Capture 360 at the location you selected. Congratulations! You've just captured your first 360 photo with the JobWalk app. Simple, right? You'll now be shown a preview of your image before confirming. Here you can choose to name your photo or retake it if you're unhappy with it. 360 cameras use two wide-angle lenses to take multiple photos or video of its immediate surroundings. The photos are then stitched together within the camera itself to produce a 360 image. Once you're happy with your photo, confirm it. When you return to your sheet, you'll notice that the location you've captured a photo has changed to a normal waypoint with a yellow check mark in the middle, signifying that this location no longer needs to be captured. Complete this simple capture workflow to document photos of your entire site. Once you're finished capturing photos around the site, make sure to jump back on the internet to upload your progress to the cloud. This will make sure that your newly captured photos are accessible to your entire team to view within the JobWalk app in the web editor. Now, when you return back to the web editor, you'll notice the changes on your floor plan. All your location marker flags that were captured are now replaced by waypoints, with scenes containing 360 photos. Check out the scenes to review the 360 photos that were just taken on site. View your photos by selecting the different waypoints on the floor plan or by using the organized tree filing system on the left side panel. We recommend that teams capture and document their projects on a weekly or bi-weekly basis. HoloBuilder's primary focus is ensuring reliable progress documentation workflows so that our customers can draw valuable insights from their teams and projects, allowing them to make better decisions. You can easily accomplish this by combining everything that we've learned so far with our TimeTravel feature. TimeTravel allows you to stack multiple 360 photos to a single location or waypoint on your floor plan. So when you return to the site next week, quickly capture your photos at existing waypoints. Click the split screen button to view two 360 photos side by side and see the progress that's been made. Select specific timestamp photos on either side so that you can compare what a scene looks like at any two time frames throughout the project's lifecycle. You can also compare the digital world to the real world by using our Navisworks and Revit plugins. Upload your 360-degree views of your coordination models and compare them side by side to your 360-degree reality captures. HoloBuilder also offers integrations with other industry-leading softwares like BIM 360, Procore, PlanGrid, and many others. Mistakes happen on site from time to time. Help to communicate and remedy these issues with our Markups feature. Mark up anywhere inside the 360 space of your scene and add notes. You can later reference any markups within the project via the markup list. The markup list keeps all your project's markups organized in a spreadsheet list format. Easily download your markup list in a CSV format for external purposes as well. Categorize individual 360 photos in your project with custom categories. Add or edit as many categories as you need from the Scene Properties menu or the Project Settings menu. You can then filter your projects for certain categories so that you can see only what you need. Once you're done editing your HoloBuilder project, you'll probably want to share it with your team, so they can also review what's going on during your project. There are two ways to accomplish this. The first is by clicking the share icon on the project's top navigation bar. This will allow you to share the project while editing the project's properties. For example, if you wanted to share a version of your project so viewers can only see specific photos of your choosing, this is how you do it. Filter your project with categories so that it only shows the photos and locations that you'd like to share, then click the share icon. Enter the advanced options within the share menu and select the options to share the project with the applied filters. Now, you can copy the full screen link at the bottom of the screen and share it with anyone. Viewers will only be able to view and interact with photos or locations that you filtered it by. There are other advanced options that you can utilize so that you can have the flexibility to share your project however you'd like. Now, as a project admin, the second way to share your project with others is to invite team members to your project as project editors or project viewers. These roles work exactly as they sound. Project editors have the ability to alter the project and save those changes, whereas project viewers have view-only permissions on the project. If you experience any issues, please reach out to a support team by clicking the icon on the bottom right corner of the screen at any time, and we'll help you as quickly as we can.